Hey peeps, just a quick video here to show you how to set up subtitles in the language of your choice on a YouTube video. If you come down here on a YouTube video, you're going to see we have this CC button. This stands for closed captioning. That's what's going to go ahead and turn on your subtitles. You can see here that there's a red line underneath. That means your subtitles are on. So when I click play, it's going to go ahead and have subtitles for any spoken words during the video.
As you know, life is made of carbon compounds.
So we can see here that it has subtitles. I have these subtitles set in Spanish. And how did I do that? I'm going to go here to subtitles. I'm going to go here and I'm going to say, I want Spanish. What if I wanted something else? How would I get that? I would go to auto translate and I would choose a language I would like it to be translated into. For example, if I would like to translate into Arabic, I would select Arabic, and then you can see that my subtitles change to Arabic. What if I would like my subtitles in French? Again, I go to auto translate, I go down to French, and I choose French, and then I have French subtitles. Choose the language that works best for you so that you can learn the material to the best of your ability. If you have any questions, feel free to email Mr. Violano or I. We'd be happy to help. Thanks so much. Have a great day.